How to delete your Genshin Impact account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Genshin Impact account, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Genshin Impact account, it could be your mobile version of Genshin Impact, or it could also be your PC or web version of Genshin Impact. So in order to delete either of these accounts, it is very simple. All we need is a browser. So whether you're on PC, Android or iPhone or iOS, all you need is your browser. Once you open your browser, you simply want to go to this URL, which is called genshin.hoyoverse.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so you can just go to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Once you go to genshin.hoyoverse.com, you'll basically see this kind of interface where first of all you might actually need to log into your account, and then at the very top you'll find this little button that says official site. All you need to do is just tap on the official site button. Once you tap on official site, here you'll see all this type of options. Tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, and then here you'll find your account username. So all you need to do is just tap on this account name, and then you'll be taken to your account page over here. And once you come to your account page, you might again need to log in to your Genshin Impact account. So in this case, my Genshin Impact is connected with my Google account, so I'll just log in with my Google account as well. And as I do that, you'll see all these sorts of various information. Currently we are under the account information page, so we want to switch to the three dots over here, and then we'll choose the option called account security settings. Under account security settings, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a section called delete account. So here you can see it says requesting account deletion. Now when you tap on the delete account button, it'll give you this little pop-up. Now keep in mind that if you have actually changed your password, changed your email address or anything within the past 30 days, you will not be able to delete your account just for the security risk. So over here you'll be able to see information that be reminded that you have changed your password, modified your linked information or conducted other sensitive operation within the last 30 days. As such, to prevent risks to your account such as theft or banning, your account cannot be deleted at present, which means that currently I have conducted some kind of activities within the past 30 days, which is why I'm not being able to delete my account. But if you have not changed your password or anything else such as changing and emailing and anything else as such, you will be able to successfully delete your account after tapping on the option called confirm over here. But that's all it takes to delete your Genshin Impact account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.